So I'm gonna try to put these on my teeth like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about how you can whiten your teeth, and it's a DIY. So you need a lemon, baking soda, ginger, toothpaste, any kind you like, and of course your toothbrush. Now that I have my ginger all minced and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the lemon. Just taking a small slice, you know. That's all you really need is one slice. I can squeeze off this little part right here. You'll need a lot of lemon. Just that's enough lemon. Maybe like a little bit on there, like a teaspoon. Just doing a little science project thing going on right there. You put some toothpaste together. Just a little toothpaste. Then you make it into a mixture. I don't know, you could use your toothbrush to mix it in, or you could use a spoon. I'm gonna use a spoon. Well, you know what? Never mind. It's going on the brush anyway, so I'm gonna just mix it in together. So we have the mix, right? Y'all see it? Up close person. I see my teeth. So as I'm brushing my teeth, y'all can see I'm a little messy. Please forgive me, but the ginger was like all over the place. So you just gotta take your time, brush slow if you have to. And you could chew on the ginger a little bit if you want to, so it can like really get the effect of the teeth whitening process. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, small circles, big circles, any way you like it. I guess it will start working like if you will do it twice or three times out of the week. You should really see results. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.